Hello guys. This is a trades once more. So we have New Day down there. Where's New Day? New Day is somewhere down there. So this opening here, it's a premium gap, meaning a gap to sell, basically. It's not a gap to buy. Don't attempt that. That's not it. So we're gonna have some nice trading here. Oh, that's beautiful right there, right? That turning. So this is a gap to sell. We're gonna look to sell something. Let's just sell. Let's see. So already been out of sight. This orange one, it's a volume imbalance on the 1 hour. So it's outside of it. All of these ones here, it's the first presented. So this is nice. It's nice. That's giving us this chance to sell there. That's nice. Wait for it. If you sold, that's okay. But this is a gap to sell. This order block now is valid. So any candlestick hitting it, we're selling it. All right? Any candlestick. So it seems like does not want to give us that. But if it goes back up there, see this volume imbalance that here? There we go. Sell there. Sell. That's in. Yes. Let's put another position on. Okay. Guys, the Fed is probably in the game. So there's that. Selling sold that other block. Other block. Stop loss should be somewhere there. Just put it there. Because if they breach this here, we should close the trade. So that's the sell, guys, right there. Selling this other block here, first presented favorable gap. And if you zoom in, this 1 hour volume imbalance, that's is going right there, hitting it right there. So let's see. Okay, now we're breaking this low. Okay, that's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful price action. Let's agree on that. You can take a partial below that low. I'll take 10 because I have like 100 lots. So I'll take 10 partially. Below this one, here, this low here. Now, these are relatively equal lows. And let's mind that this is the opening range, guys. This one, yeah, that's a penny. It's an opening range. So let's see. And also the Fed is probably doing something. They like to say they're gonna come in this time, but they come in way earlier. They like doing that. They're gonna tell you we're gonna come at 10, but then the whole morning session is just like that. The whole morning session. I'm not like the whole morning session. So now I wanna zoom in there just to mark out this volume imbalance right there. You see that? Came in there, hit it. Now it's hitting the first presented value gap. 9:30 00. Even this one, the first one after 12 o'clock, midnight. So let's see. So all this choppy up and down type of movement, it's what the Fed likes to do. They say they're gonna come in this time here, but then the whole morning session is just like that, right? The whole morning session is just like that. There's some who bought the 714 method. Probably if they looked at this as it went down, then they're gonna buy it after two. Then that's a winner, right? But look at this trading. Takes so much time being here, almost the whole hour just being here. So it's not a type of trading you want, right? Also here we can see we have no favorable gaps, nothing like that. We're just selling this other block here. So let's see. Because everything that was pre-market is taken out here. This high is taken out. This is our initial buy side. This is it. Initial buy side. Initial buy side is taken there. That's your initial buy side. And this here, it's your lunch buy side for Friday. So it's also taken, right? It's also taken. Okay. But it seems like the Fed is doing things, right? Let's see. It's hitting again here. The first positive level you get after 0, 0. So in the 14 January, as you can see right there, it's hitting it there. Midpoint or CC. It's just hitting it there. That's beautiful. Okay, let's see it. Let's see that. Yeah, trading the opening range can be tricky, guys. Can be tricky. But me, myself, I'm looking at this move as a Judas swing. Right? There's a Judas swing. There's a Judas. Okay, that's beautiful. Let's get in there. That candlestick going way in there to the upper quadrants of this. Probably one of, if we calculate in eights, you might find that that's a nice level there. And closing below here, there, that's good. Still good, guys, right? Sometimes your trade will enter into a negative area. As long as your stop loss is not tagged, you're still good, guys. You're still good, but you're still good. So what if you want to get out in this trade without actually stop loss being hit? Well, if they break here and close above this, which is the rejection, and do this. Let me zoom in there. This candlestick, let me zoom it again. If they close above, let me do this. Above this price with a candlestick above this, you can close the trade automatically. Yeah, probably didn't know that, did you? Yeah, you can do that. Let's go in there. Let's go in there. You know, when the Fed is busy, you don't trade. You don't trade. You don't see me going in and you say you're gonna go in. I'm in because I'm thinking the Fed, I wanna be out before the Fed comes in. But let's be honest, guys. Can you see all this choppiness here? Nobody really wants to trade this. You don't want to be in something like this. You don't want that. But let's see that beautiful price action coming in. So it will come in. If they don't decide to hold the market forever, forever meaning until the whole session ends. Sometimes they do something like that. Okay. This is not what we're looking for, right? Most of the time, we're just looking for the sell and then it just goes to a profit, like rushes there. You're not even looking for this type of buy where it does expands, retrace, expand, retrace. You don't looking for that. You're not looking for that. Okay, now it's going up there once more. Okay, let's see. We have a swing high right there, this one there. It's hitting this 1 hour. Volume imbalance once more. A lot of price action here. A lot of price action. Okay, let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Once more. Volume imbalance there. Zoom in. We have another one there. Right there. That's beautiful. Hitting it, waking through it, like any other PDRA, and closing below. That's beautiful. That's what actually we're looking for. Now, can it take this low? Like speed. Can it take this low with speed and eventually take this one and this one? All this liquidity resting down here. Ta, retail support somewhere there. So
Let's do that. This is the first presented fair value gap, this one at 7. Then, yeah, there we go. After 7, this is the first one. That's being used like right there to provide this foothold support to the upside. So now, if you look at this consolidation there, you wanna see the marketplace below this consolidation right there, low, low. You wanna see, okay, let's. So you wanna see the market coming here with speed, and like I was saying right now, you wanna see this low here taken with speed. We'd like to see this one remain open here. No returning to this. The candlestick has to close first for you to of course say it's a fair value gap. But me personally, I just wanted to see it come like it did with power like that and keep this fair value gap open right here. Yeah, I'd like to see it just go and never return here. Ooh, that's beautiful, right? That's speed. That's speed. Yep. Never return there, right? Lows, speed. We like to see speed and closing below this. Like to see speed and close below. Speed, more speed. Okay, okay. It's beautiful, right, guys? It's beautiful. If you know what you're doing. But for me, this is not my favorite type of trading, and I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, especially when it's a high resistance liquidity run like this. This is high resistance. You don't get your profits now, right? They take longer. Not that waiting is a problem, but we wait for the setup for a long time. So when we have to come in, we want to have those explosive, nice moves, right? Okay. So here we have a low fair value gap. You know what that means, right? It's a low, it's a fair value gap. Then also have this one which I like to see remain open like that. No candlesticks in here. I like how it returned with power here below this initial buy side. And if the marketplace was to go up here, it would only come to test this level here, basically this high. And then I like the fact that you see this rejection block. I liked selling the wicks myself. This it was really because while we were down there, this week here was a premium week. So when it comes to it, you can sell it, understanding that you're selling this fair value gap, but you can sell this week first. So that even if it does not reach this, you have no problem. You understand? You have no problem. You've already in from this. You're not wrong when it's down here. When it's going up there, this is a premium. Don't we love that performance, guys, that we're seeing right now? The marketplace. Oh, this is beautiful, guys, right? Because of if this versus this, I like speed. Okay, lows. We're probably taking something off right there, right? Taking something off right there. Okay, confirm that. And then we're taking something off. Oh, I guess I'll take another 10, right? Take another 10 off. I like to see this hold price too. Yes, I like this. Oh, that's beautiful there, right? So, because we are close to this, technically our take profit. This is it. This is the initial sell side. Let me do this in black. Initial sell side in black. Initial sell side in black. There. This is initial sell side. This is London sell side. So we're looking for, and this is a fair value gap that only has a wick. So that's what we're actually looking for. in this move. Below London sell size and all of that, looking for this to come here and give us bodies. Don't worry about anything here. You could even, it broke this low, two in this move, right? It broke these lows. So you don't have to lose this trade. You can even move your stop to break even here because you're not even anticipating the marketplace to come in here at all, right? So with that logic, you could do that with that logic. But we're looking for this level here, guys, this level here. I mean, move to this side so we can see. What's the level we're looking for? That's the real level. Okay. There we go. Let's zoom in there. You see, this value gap here. This value gap here, starting from here to here, has what? Has nothing. Only wicks. So we need bodies to be in here. Bodies, like real bodies, actual bodies. So that's the draw. And also the gap, it's a looking at New Day. I know that this was a gap to sell, so hence was selling, right? Hence we're selling the gap to sell. It went right there. The block was nice. You see, breaker here. This is the breaker. Last down breaker because it goes down and then takes buy side and comes back and takes this wave going up is taking buy side. When coming back, it's taking sell side here. So this breaker now is a valid breaker. So can sell the breaker, understanding that we won't come back in there, sell the breaker right there. Let me mark the breaker for you. This would be breaker, right? Breaker. Let me mark it. Some are marking the low, but I'm gonna mark the close right there. Make it like a pink or something. Yeah, there we go. That's your breaker. So this coming into the breaker here. Breaker. The break. So if you're selling this revenue gap here, putting a stop above there will not be a mistake. But it could also work in there, which typically could, but now I'm not expecting that. Typically could work in here if you're selling this one, this revenue gap, this one, from this candlestick and this one and this one. If you're selling here, you could put your stop normally somewhere there because it could work in here. But now, because of the condition that we have here, I'm not anticipating the marketplace to come back here at all. Not at all. So this is your breaker here. Breaker. Beautiful price action here, guys. This is something, this is better, right? This is better. Even though I don't feel the speed like I usually want it, but it's better than this. This side. It's way better. It's way better. Below this low, you could just go there. Let's do that. Confirm that. Take something off too. Another 10. Then we leave the 7 off. Usually close 10. Now we're just gonna watch and see it gravitate to take profit, right? That's what we're gonna see. It gravitating there to take profit. This is the breaker here. Your stop loss should be above breaker. Technically there. So we're just gonna leave it there. Okay, that's nice. Now it's hitting the first presented fair value gap after 7 right there. Sitting it right there. We're looking for these levels down here, guys. You know,
So if you look at the blue lines, which is this one, London sell side, this one is a London buy side here. This is the London buy side. That's a beautiful reaction right there. So where is it? Here, the London sell side. That's what we're looking. We're looking for money to come down in there, like there. Looking for you to come in there. Yes, right here. That's what we're looking for. And also, if you go down, 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 and let's do this. I want to show you the 16. You see, the high is there here of the 16. So we know that we could go all the way to close the gap. But that's not what you go for. We always go for one thing, half of the gap. I'm looking for 930. There's 930, right? Let's go down now. Let's go down now. Let's go down now. Was 930. Okay, we're gonna go down again and put it to the low of the 16. There we go. This is the low here. If I zoom in, go up there, you see this is the low, 16. We put it on the low. That's where we close this day. Then the high is where we opened, right? So now we're gonna check half. Here's half gap here. Here. Where's half gap? Half gap is 14 January high. OR, there's an open range high. It's not the open range gap, it's just an open range, this one, high. The gap is what we are looking for to close here. So that's beautiful, guys. Below a low here. Okay, let's see. Let's go below these. Because this one here, this. So we're looking for. We wanted to go below this. Then take a London sell side and this one. Why? Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. My side. Sell side inefficient, right? So it's gonna need sell side, and then we have relatively equal lows, this low and this low. People gotta go out. We have this low there and this low there, right? Relative equal lows. And then we have what? Favorable gap with a wick. That's always a draw. That's always a draw. Let's go, baby. Beautiful price action. So with this type of a trade, yeah, we are out. You're not taking chances. Okay, there's that. Because that's that. We'll take like 40. Take like 40 off, right? I'm doing this because I'm not looking to hold this trade because the Fed will come in here or is already in. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. Like really beautiful. Look at that. Close to what am I doing here? Okay. That here we're looking this that should actually it's out, guys. I can't even move it there. But that's why the draw, the thing you're looking for, it's here. So that's it. That's your trade. You done. You done. Just like that. Lose that trade. I love it. Ah, no, you done. That's what you're looking for. Boom. You're done. That's how it's done. No bot, no indicator, nothing like that. I don't need a bot. What? I'm sitting somewhere at the top and I'm getting out exactly where I should, right? Exactly where I should. This one to be really sufficient, you need this candlestick to lay over it like this. Yes, to lay over here. Even if the candlestick closed here, that was gonna be enough. Just to lay over here. That's enough. That was that. And then, oh, I closed everything. Oh, I closed everything. So going with time, you're gonna let something probably leave something on just to close full all the gap, right? Full closure. But that goes with time. And also here, if I pull this, is a daily volume imbalance right there. I'm pulling it. So let me do this. Entry. I was selling this other block entry, and I was out right there. Right? Let me show you something. Okay. Likely, we know that it's gonna go to. It has a high probability also to going for full closure, but that's not what you're gonna look for first. You're gonna look for half because it has 70% chances of doing that. You get that, you get out. And we also have London sell side, right? So I want to show execution marks, right? You have labels? Oh, just all those. Okay. Okay. Sold right there. You see that arrow? Let me zoom in. Sold. Selling this order block right here, right there. Sold. Partial, 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 partial right there. Full closure right there. Look at that. Yeah, full closure. Should be laying over here. Basically, the best exit here is this candlestick as it closes like that. That would be the best one, the best. So now we're still going. This is nice right there. But when the Fed is coming in here, be out, guys, be out. You don't want to get hit. Don't want to get hit. So what are we looking for? For 16, we're looking for it to draw into here. Because it seems like it has the willingness to go there, right? You see how it moves right now. Let me do that. Where are those executions labels? Where are those labels? Down there. Okay. There we go. Then now, just coming in, it's coming in there. So that's nice. Beautiful speed. Beautiful speed. Then we're gonna come in this level. This one, the high, and the low of the new day, 16. This is the level that we're seeking. Then below all of that, you have here this PM sell side right there. So I'm not thinking about that yet. So let's see what it does. See what it does. Dang. That's really like, damn, that's a melt, right, guys? It's a melt. I'm out there. I was out here. Look at that. That's coming in there. Oh. I forgot to tell you about one thing, the agent sell side, because I already had it marked. So below this, it could come in there, of course, could come to this level. And also the daily volume imbalance has its own quadrants too. But also the another thing that you were surely looking for, this is the thing. This candlestick you're looking for. This is it. Asian sell side to be taken out. That's the thing you're looking for after London sell side. Yeah, that's the thing we're looking for. So you should. So from there, where I got out, that's the half. If it comes somewhere there, you're gonna take all of it here. So at the half, we could have taken something off and taken full closure of the thing right there. Then that would be enough right here. That would be enough. Also, it's London close now. Kill zone, basically from 10 to 12. London close kill zone. This is it. Oh, that was beautiful price section, guys. Beautiful price section. So it's coming in here. That's nice, right? From up there, look at that. That's beautiful. I was trying to go live, but somehow I don't know what's going on. When I go plan to go live on TikTok, they say you're not being approved for some reason. So yeah, that's that. I guess I have to go on YouTube then. I'll work on that, guys. This social trades. Thank you, guys. This was a very nice sell side here, Asian sell side taken. That was beautiful. Now looking for it to draw in here. Let me see something here. Ooh. Oh, we have this low and this low sitting like this. This London sell side from yesterday. And this like this. This is a nice draw down here, guys. It's a nice draw. It's a nice, it's a nice draw below here. But I'm not gonna chase and try and re-enter into anything here. So could draw up to here, but I'm not gonna do that, right? It's because if you can come here, why not just take these guys out, right? That's the logic. If you are here, look at this. If you are here, why would you not just take these guys out? It will make sense. So there's a high probability chance that you're gonna see this being taken out. Yeah, that would be your full draw in terms of liquidity. This is how you grow your account into something crazy in one day, right? Let the children play, and the big boys do the right thing, right? The big boys. Children playing, big boys, right? The big boys. Asian sell side is taken here, so most of the things, conditions are satisfied. Asian sell side, London sell side. Let me see. Yeah, did we even touch middle? No, not there. We missed it by a few pips. That's nice. So let's see. This is the OR low right there. Stuff. So we had fun today, right? So this can be you, right? Trading like that, no fear, nothing like that. The draw is here, guys. The draw is here. So below this, it has high probability chance of coming away. No, no, let me not show that. Let me not show that. But thank you guys, trading care, the social trades. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.